Hello everyone, welcome to ApparelWin channel. I'm Lily. Today let's talk about satin. Satin, this is a really lovely fabric and inexpensive fabric for your costume making. So you have a little girl that wants to be a fairy princess, and this will make you a beautiful, shiny fairy princess and cost you a fraction of some of the more expensive fabrics. So also you could use it for a bit of dressing up or making a shining evening gown or something frivolous. You are not investing a lot of money, but you are getting something that has great impact because it is shines. See? And it drapes and it has many beautiful colors. So it is a lovely fabric to look and to touch. Also good for doing some comfortable, sexy pajamas. However, the only disadvantage is it's lovely and soft to touch, but it is a little bit more challenging to sew. So make sure that you have a sharp needle in your sewing machine and make sure that you take a little bit of time when constructing the seam. And go a little bit slower and make sure it goes through evenly, because if you don't, this will puckle. And it is easy to have scratch in the surface, so just take that little bit more care. There are many different types of satin, like this one. Here is a crepe satin. It has different surface. You got a shining side, see? And you got a matte side. Right? So actually you can have different parts on your dress, some in matte and some in shiny. Okay, this is today's sharing. We will introduce more fabric in our channel. If you have interest in it, you can follow our Instagram and submit our YouTube. Also, again, want to know more about clothing production? Contact us. See you guys. Bye.